It's like fire. That's literally the only reason I can describe it. Because if I'm in here and somebody would walk in and feel like they would think I was dying because I'm screaming so loud at any certain play that's going on.
What does it mean to be a fan?
That team is like home to me. It's like a family member. And so when people talk about it, people may think it's stupid, but it kind of hurts my feelings, kind of thing.
Elon students Kyron Turner and Reed Payne wear their hearts on their sleeve when their Panthers are playing. And that heart bleeds Carolina blue.
I'm so excited. This is the most excited I've been probably ever for the Panthers.
This week in the divisional round of the NFL's playoffs, the local Carolina Panthers faced off against the San Francisco 49ers in Charlotte. For some fans, this season has been special.
It's been great. It's been one of those things where you're on the edge of your seat.
And for a team that hasn't seen the playoffs in 6 years, playing at home means a lot.
I just want us to win, not only for pride, but to shut people up.
In a clash of two top-tier defenses, the Panthers got outplayed and lost a heartbreaking game 23-10. But even though one of the hottest teams in football got dominated in their first playoff game, a true fan always looks at the positives.
It's been a great season, and really, that's all you can ask for is for the team to be competitive, to make the season enjoyable. So that's really the most important thing.
That's what it means to be a fan. Alex Rose, Elon Local News.